Hello and welcome again. So this will be the last video from this course. Right now there's only one thing left for us to do, which is to export this animation. And this is very simple really. You just have to go to File, Export, and Add to Render Queue. Once you've done that, this render panel will appear. So we're going to play around with it a bit. First, let's click where it says Best Settings, and here we have to make sure that this is 30 frames per second. Okay, so let's click OK to exit. Now let's click here where it says Lossless, and we are going to change some things here. We're going to change where it says QuickTime to Photoshop Sequence. Okay, there we go. So that's all. We're going to hit OK to exit. Then we'll click on Output To, and we are going to select the folder where we want everything to be exported. Okay, so here I want to create a new folder, and I'm going to call it Sequence. And then I'm going to go to Create. Okay, so now I have created this folder, so everything is ready. I'm going to go ahead and press the Render button. So this is rendering right now. Okay, it's all done now, so we can safely close Adobe After Effects. So let's move now to Adobe Photoshop. Okay, so we are on Adobe Photoshop now. We are going to File, Open, and then we are going to go into the Sequence folder that we created. And as you can see, there is another subfolder that has been created, so we're going to select Aerobics. And we're going to select the first file of them all. And before we open it, be sure that the image sequence box right here on the bottom is ticked. Now we're ready to open. Now it will ask me for a frame rate, and I'll leave 30 as it is. Okay, we're all set now. We have imported this. Now this looks like a still image, but if you look closely on the layers panel, you'll see that it's a video. And now we're going to go to File, Save for Web, and this panel will open. So under Format, be sure to select GIF or Shift, as you like to pronounce it better. And down here under Looping Options, be sure that instead of once, you select Forever, so this will be looping. Okay, so all the other options can stay as they are, and we can go ahead and save. So don't be confused and click Done, you have to click on Save. And there we go, it's saving right now. We're going to rename this GIF as aerobics.gif. Okay, so once you've done that, the file is saved to your computer. We're all done. So let's check on the Finder if we have our file ready. There we go. Here it is, it's aerobics.gif. It's saved here, so I'm going to press the spacebar to preview. And here you have it. Your GIF is ready, it's looping correctly, and it's moving at 30 frames per second. So now you can go ahead and just post this GIF on your social networks. You can upload it to your portfolio or anywhere you like. Okay, so this is all for this course. Remember that we saved the template for the still position of this character on After Effects. It was a composition called template that we saved as a backup. Well, if you want to reinforce what you've learned on this course, you can go ahead and use that template to create a different animation by using the same tools that we learned on this course. So these are very versatile and powerful tools, and I'm sure that you can create something great by using them. That is all. Thank you for watching this course, and see you next time.